London Heathrow ground, Etihad A27 heavy, ready to taxi to runway 27 left.
Etihad 827 heavy, taxi to runway 27 left. Contact tower when ready.
London Heathrow ground, Giant 95, ready to taxi. London Heathrow ground, November 238 Alpha Yankee, ready to taxi. Taxiing to runway 27 left, Etihad 827 heavy.
Giant 95, taxi to runway 27 left. Contact tower when ready. November 238 Alpha Yankee, taxi to runway 27 left. Contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 27 left, Giant 95. Taxiing to runway 27 left, November 238 Alpha Yankee.
London Heathrow ground, Juliet Echo Tango 001, ready for pushback, requesting runway 27 right.
Juliet Echo Tango 001. Pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
London Heathrow ground, Alpha Zulu Echo 011, ready for pushback, requesting runway 27 left.
Pushback approved, Juliet Echo Tango 001.
Alpha Zulu Echo 011. Pushback approved. Expect runway 27 left.
London Heathrow ground, Speedbird 6, ready for pushback, requesting runway 27 left. Pushback approved, Alpha Zulu Echo 011.
Speedbird 6. Pushback approved. Expect runway 27 left.
London Heathrow ground, Alpha Foxtrot Charlie 1, ready for pushback, requesting runway 9 left. Pushback approved, Speedbird 6.
Alpha Foxtrot Charlie 1. Pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Pushback approved, Alpha Foxtrot Charlie 1. London Heathrow ground, Etihad 2308, ready for pushback, requesting runway 27 left.
Etihad 2308. Pushback approved. Expect runway 27 left.
London Heathrow ground, Shamrock 789, ready for pushback.
Shamrock 789. Pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Pushback approved, Shamrock 789.
London Heathrow ground, Alpha Zulu Echo 011, ready to taxi to runway 27 left.
Alpha Zulu Echo 011. Continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Alpha Zulu Echo 011.
London Heathrow ground, Juliet Echo Tango 001, ready to taxi to runway 27 right.
London Heathrow ground, Etihad 2308, ready to taxi.
Juliet Echo Tango 001. Taxi to runway 27 right. Contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 27 right.
Juliet Echo Tango 001. Taxi to runway 27 right. Contact tower when ready.
London Heathrow ground, United 935, ready for pushback.
Taxiing to runway 27 right, Juliet Echo Tango 001.
London Heathrow ground, Etihad 2308, ready to taxi.
Alpha Foxtrot Charlie 1. Taxi to runway 27 right. Contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 27 right, Alpha Foxtrot Charlie 1.
Shamrock 789. Continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Shamrock 789.
Etihad 2308. Continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Etihad 2308.
United 935. Pushback approved. Expect runway 27 left.
Pushback approved, United 935.
Speedbird 6. Continue taxi. Speedbird 6.
London Heathrow Tower, Juliet Echo Tango 001, ready for takeoff at runway 27 right, remaining in the pattern.
London Heathrow Tower, Alpha Foxtrot Charlie 1, ready for takeoff at runway 9 left, departing straight out. Lufthansa 111 Heavy, number 1, runway 27 right, cleared to land. Speedbird 732 Heavy is on final runway 27 left. Full stop. Number 1. Cleared to land. Runway 27 right. Lufthansa 111 Heavy. London Heathrow Tower, November 579 Mike Yankee is 26 nautical miles to the east at 59,000 feet. Inbound for landing. Requesting runway 27 left. Giant 95. Hold short of runway 27 left. London Heathrow Tower, Ryanair 112. In
London Heathrow Tower, Juliet Echo Tango 001, ready for takeoff at runway 27 right, departing straight out.
London Heathrow Tower, November 579 Mike Yankee is 23 nautical miles to the east at 23,000 feet. Inbound for landing. Juliet Echo Tango 001, runway 27 right, cleared for immediate takeoff. London Heathrow Tower, Speedbird 6.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Juliet Echo Tango 001.
London Heathrow Tower, November 579 Mike Yankee is 14 nautical miles to the east at 10,100 feet. Inbound for landing. Requesting runway 27 left. Alpha Foxtrot Charlie 1. When able turn right and contact ground. Please expedite. Traffic on final. Stand by. X-ray 34818 Super. I'm sorry, Alpha Foxtrot Charlie 1. November 579 Mike Yankee, number 2, runway 27 left. Clear to land. Number 2.